Hello guys, my name is Gatif and I am founder of company Best Content Hosting, and in this video I want to speak a little about our hosting teach support, because one of the most important thing for every hosting company is teach support. It means how they can uh, help to our customers, and how outside our company, our new company, and of course a most important question is, okay, you are company, you are good prices, but how about the support? And in this video I want to tell a little bit more about how our teach support works. If first things, when you go in our homepage, bestcontenthosting.com, you can see tab 2. That you can see practically in every hosting company, and when you write there the message, I will receive in my computer, in my mobile phone, and every my device, and I will answer. When you are logging in client area, look, there is client area, and there this is your panel that you that you can access after you are make a account in our company. There you have package, and then when you scroll a little bit down, there is connect to support customer. Click there, and then there you can uh, mm, put your problem what is with your uh, hosting, and we will give you answer. Maybe question is, okay, you are new company, and how you can provide good quality teach support? It is good and correct question. And my answer is that our company working together with very large company in UK. It is company 20i. It is largest UK company that I have good experience when I worked in company Host Maria, where I working as teach support. And what it mean for my company? If I have if I receive some question where I don't know answer, I can ask this question to our partners 20i, and uh, they have very good support team. I have very good experience with this support team, and they always help solve our client problem, and we 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 will try to give the best teach support how we can. This is very important, and I very want to know that we are very open to support you in or, or hosting. That is the general message of this video, and I hope this was useful for you. Okay, have a nice Sunday, and yes, in our homepage in future, yes, one more thing, we have support articles, and in future, step by step, we will add support videos how to solve a different kind of problems with hosting. Okay, bye bye. Have a good Sunday.